Hey, good afternoon folks, and welcome to Peepaw's Shop. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood today, and I got this product from Proster. They sent it to me and asked me if I'd review it, and I'm all about it. This is a 1000 volt true RMS digital multimeter. It's a multimeter. That's what it comes down to. So let's open up, see what's in the box. Okay, well, like that, not much in the box. A case, got some instructions. Instructions are always good. I don't always read them. So let's see what's in the case here. All right, I like a case. Keeps everything together. Look at that. I like that. Hey, they even sent the batteries with it. Got some probes there. And got our test leads there with some covers there. Looks like we got ability to prop that thing up. So let me get the batteries in it, and we'll give it another look, or a closer look anyway. That's just in the box. Look at there. Sent a screwdriver with it so you can take the back off to get your batteries in. Now see, that's the company that's looking out for the customers right there. Hey, if you're looking for a multimeter, y'all give Proster a look. It looks like, I mean, look at this thing. It's got about everything you'd want on it. I can't even keep up with it. Let me just bring it close to the camera here, and we'll let y'all see. So you got your on off and your various settings all the way around this thing to milliamps. Wow. The range, you'll change your range, change your function up here. So again, I might get some batteries in it and give a look at it, but if you're looking for a multimeter, give Proster a look. I think it'll work out well for you. Meantime, y'all have a blessed day.